My name is Jamie Smith, and I'll be talking about the results and findings from the article Gender Differences in Creative Thinking, Behavioral and fMRI Findings. The behavioral findings showed comparable performance between men and women in virtually all variables. However, women did show an advantage compared to men in reporting more generated objects. The findings also show that even though men and women showed comparable performance on behavioral measure of creativity, different strategies may have been used in completing these tasks. However, further research is still needed to explain the strategy differences. A study of 5 to 6-year-old children was done to see about gender-based strategy differences. 96% of boys drew moving objects, for example, cars, whereas 96% of girls drew people and they drew flowers 57% of the time. However, girls that have what is called CAH showed more masculine characteristics in their pictures. And then we have some videos that you can watch to talk more about the gender differences in creative thinking, as well as some books that you can read that also talk about gender differences in creative thinking. And our questions for discussion are, do you personally think that males and females think differently? Explain. Do you think that there would be differences in gender creativity if societal norms were not present, i.e. boys should play with trucks and girls with dolls? In your opinion, are gender non-conforming kids more or less creative than those who conform to gender norms? Explain. I hope you enjoyed reading the article. Thank you.